Hey, one thing I forgot to mention in my first video, and I told you I warned you that I wasn't as lucid as I would hope to be. Alan had two picks for going into next week. And what reminded me was Steve Pearson's um, silver shout out. For those of you living under a rock or been totally out of the loop, there's this struggle between hedge fund owners and um, Reddit users, Reddit traders. I think their funny thing was is when, um, God, I can't remember it now. Um, Something about a Bloomberg terminal. I'll get it. Um, I can't find it. So, long story short is Reddit users were pissed at the hedge funds for shorting GameStop and AMC's on the list. Um, there was chatter about adding silver to that, but those of in the know on Reddit have pointed out that the hedge fund owners own silver. So that, as a short squeeze, has been um, taken off the table. But here, Steve mentioned the option strikes on silver and February 5th, which is this one. So what I'm going to do, and I hope I can do it, is I'm going to take a picture of this and share that to Steve's post. But yes, look at this, 20,000 here, 40,000 here, 29,000 here. Um, Huge numbers, and they do have some volume over on the put side, but nothing even close. And if we look at in the money, we have, gosh, 6,600 here, 5,200 here, 9,000 here, and 2,400 here, and 1,100 here. Um, yeah, that is an interesting trade. Ouch, stupid finger. For those of you who don't know, go back to my other video. Alan's trades next week are looking at gold long. And let's bring up this chart, which is Rand gold or Barrick gold, which tends to follow. If you look at this chart, we are below a couple things on this chart. We're below the 20 SMA. And if I draw a support line, let's shoot it right about here. Bottom, 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 bottom. That's why he's playing gold long. If I look at the strikes, um, option chain, there's 28,000 sitting here at the 20 strike. But look at this volume, or look at this price, 4 cents. So let's do the math. 4 times 100, oh no, actually 4 times 28,604. 28,604. 114,000. If I look at this one, $20 times 3403, 68,000 plus $14 times 3773, 120,000. Versus 114,000. So even though the volume on the OI is here, we do have some here at the 2350. I think these are leaning towards calls. It'll be an interesting thing. I think the giveaway is this chart. I'm thinking this bottom, I'm thinking this 20. And when I say I'm thinking, I'm what I think Alan's thinking is that bottom in that 20 SMA. Another one that Alan is looking at is X long. He mentioned the price of steel going up. We are below the 20 SMA, even though we kind of tagged it on Friday. Um, and if we look at the option strikes, what's going on here? We have 3,600 sitting at the 20 strike, 900, 700, 300 here at the 18 for the put side. Um, but you know what? If you guys want to do the math, do the math. I think we're leaning calls on here. Um, chart looks favorable for a rounding bottom and a bounce. But again, we're below the 20 SMA. Simple as that. I'm not looking at indicators. I'm not looking at my normal um, style. Um, I'm not looking at all these indicators. And I think that's what I got out of Alan's call, is to keep it simple. Look at the chart, look at the 20 SMA. So X long, gold long, and now Steve's silver long. Good week, guys.